Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to show you or give you directions on how to create a perfume. Now when I'm creating perfume, I start by blending my base notes, heart notes, and top notes, and then I go to diluting it. So I've gathered a few oils together. What I'm going to start out with are the two base notes that I picked out. I'm using vetiver and cedarwood, and what I'll do is just put a couple of drops of each and see how it turns out. It's really a trial and error process, at least for me. I just go in and try something, and if it works, great. If it doesn't work, then that's fun too. Next time I'll do something a little bit different and see how it turns out. And I want to write down every number of drops of each that I make, so that later on I can go back and make the recipe again. So now I have my base notes. I can check on it and see if I want to add a little more of each. But I'm going to go to adding my middle notes and my top notes, and we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to add a little bit of clove, just a couple drops here. That's a clove bud CO2 extract, actually. And I'm going to put in some ginger and orange, and hopefully we'll have a nice little spicy perfume with a little bit of citrus top to it. So then just add both of these in there and see how you like it on first smell. You can go ahead and adjust it now if you'd like. But over the next 24 to 48 hours, the blend is going to mature and change. So once you let it sit for a day or two, then you'll want to come back, smell it then, and make any adjustments that you want to make. And again, if you make some adjustments, then go back. Then once you have it to where you like it, dilute it in your carrier oil, either perfume oil or alcohol, and then you'll have a finished perfume.